Here's that Cat TH83 telehandler. Real good machine. Got your auxiliary hydraulics up here with the quick connect already in place right here. Got real good rubber on the machine. I'd say it's 50% or better. Pretty good solid machine. Got all your fenders and everything's in place. We'll go ahead and fire it up and show you how it runs. Tilt and auxiliary stuff all working like it's supposed to. Your machine doesn't have any leaks or anything. There's your carriage tilt. Left and right. Machine's 8,000 pound with a 42-foot reach. We'll get up there. Self-leveling forks on it. Four-wheel steer, crab steer, and front steer. Machine's got 4,600 hours on it, I believe. And there she is. If you got any other questions, give us a shout. Be happy to help you out how we can.